This is the fastest and easiest way how to set up your Google Ads conversion tracking in your Shopify store. It will give you the right data from all the sales and revenue you generated from your Google Ads. So after watching this full video, you know exactly which Google Ads campaigns bring you the most profit. I've done this process already more than 100 times for my own Google Ads clients. So I know that this is by far the best way how to set up your Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store. Without further ado, let's dive right into my screen so I can show you exactly how we set it all up. So here we are. When you click the first link in the description and you create a Trackbee account, it will give you the overview to add a store right here. To save you some time, I already created the account because your time is valuable. So let's go to add store right here. Then we give this store a name. And then we press next. Now this is the API code that we need to copy. And also you need to install the Trackbee Connect. So if you press install right here, you can press install on the left side. But to save you some time, I already did so. So I have it open here. When you go to the menu under apps, you will have the Trackbee Connect after installing it. You paste the API code right here and then you press connect. All right. And now that we see that the API is successfully connected, we need to put enable app embed as well in the Shopify theme. It will guide us automatically there already. So now that we see that Trackbee is successfully connected in the ads account and here in the app embed, we press save. So now the theme is saved. Then we go back to Trackbee again. We copy and paste the API code and the Trackbee installation in the Shopify app. So then we press next. We already did so by embedded it in the theme, so we can check the box right here and press next. So now we need to make sure that we remove any duplicated themes, but for now this is not important, so we can finalize the installation right here. So now it gives us a few options. And of course, since this video is about Google Ads conversion tracking, I will install the Google Ads pixel right here. So I press connect. Then it guides us to a login page. We need to implement the right Google Ad account that we created the Google Ads account for as well. Then we press continue to give the right access. So now it's going to search all the right ad accounts. So it will automatically bring you the ad account that you use to create your Google Ads account. So let's select the right one. So now that we selected the right ad account, we press connect. All right, and now we see a successful notification. So now we are going to set up the conversion booster. The conversion booster even helps the pixel generate more data from your Shopify account through Trackbee and then to your Google Ads account. So it gives you more data and helps the pixel learn more about your customer avatar and every specification about the people that are actually buying from you. So when we scroll down a little bit, we see that the setup is almost completed, and now it takes around 6 hours or less to finalize the conversion tracking. We need to implement this one, the Trackbee conversion booster as well. Then we can enable right here. And then we need to do a few things that you need to have your Google Ads account ready for. So let me press next and show everything to you as well. So when we go to the Google Ads account right here, you go to the menu on the left side, then you press goals and then you go to settings. And then first of all, under the customer data terms, you need to accept the terms for to collect data from the people. You just press accept and then it will look like this. And also you need to implement the enhanced conversions. So you need to check the box right here and make sure that the Google Ads API is connected and then press save. So this is what Trackbee is actually asking us to do. But we already did so. So then we made sure it's granted already here. We want to include tags as well in our conversion value because it's the total value that we generate from all your ads, including the tags. And then we need to go to conversions event as well. I will show you exactly how that works. And then we need to select there in the settings, marketing and data collected does not qualify as data sale. So then it will give us the pixel that we need to copy and paste right there as well. So to go to that overview, you need to go to settings. Then you go to customer events. Then we see that we already implemented the Trackbee pixel, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will do it again. So you press add custom pixel. You give this pixel a name. For example, Trackbee order booster. Then we add this pixel. We deleted all code and we paste the initial code that we have right here. Then for the permission, we only select marketing. And for data sale, we selected the last one. Data collection does not qualify as data scale. Then we press save at the top. And when we press connect as a last step, so now it's connected as well. We go back to Trackbee and then we finalize the tracking installation right here. So now it's going to check our account if everything is well. Sometimes it needs some more time to clarify if everything is selected properly. So you see the latest Trackbee conversion booster that's not detected and there was no test conversion set up yet. And it will give some warnings here as well. But as you can see, it takes approximately a few more hours to get installed and serve everything correctly. And also when you launch your very first Google Ads campaigns with this conversion tracking, it's going to take 1 or 2 days for the pixel to learn. So don't worry about this. These issues will resolve itself. If you want to check the connection, you can always press check connection here to see if the errors are resolved. If everything is okay, it will show a green check mark right here as well. And if we go to the Google Ads account, you can fact check if everything is installed correctly. So you go to goals and then summary. Sometimes it takes a while. So you see that we don't have the conversion actions active ready. But later on, if you refresh after, let's say 1 hour, for example, and give it some time, you will see that everything is implemented correctly. Oh, now we see it already done. So here you see the few important things. Trackbee already implemented 2 of the purchase data pixels. So all the data you will generate from your Shopify store will be going through Trackbee in your Google Ads account right here. And these are the only ones that need to be on primary. If you have any other pixels connected here, make them secondary or just select them and remove them. The other ones that Trackbee are added are add to cart, checkout started, and page view. All of these are secondary, which is good. Because primary means that your conversions are focusing on the primary goal, which is the conversion for your Shopify e-commerce store. And secondary means that you are learning from this conversion rate and you can reuse the data later on, but it's not the main focus because as a Shopify e-commerce store owner, you're looking for profit, aka making sales. Just a quick side note here. Now that we see that the Google Ads pixel is still inactive or no recent conversion yet, this is due to the fact that we didn't launch any Google Ads campaigns yet. So from the moment we do and we generated 1 sale, the data will go from Shopify to Trackbee into your Google Ads account. From there, all pixels will be fired and active right here. So don't worry for now. So this is how you implement the Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store. Now you basically have 2 options. The first option is to reach out to me if you need any assistance with setting up your profitable Google advertising for your Shopify store. And the second option is to watch the recommendation video after this, where I show you exactly a beginner-friendly strategy you can set up today for your e-commerce store to make your very first sales in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching this video and I see you there.